What's going on, everyone? This is Mobile Fix, and on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a trade recap on the trades that we actually took today during our session. Today is Wednesday on 31st January 2024. So I'm going to be giving out a trade recap on the things that we are looking at and why we took the trade and the other trades and why we did not take the trade. So what I usually look for is I usually look for trading zones, and this is what I usually look for. So the first thing I want to identify is a channel, okay? Because if I'm having this channel, price can only do different things on this channel. It can either break this channel from the above, or it can break this channel from below, right? From below. So those are the things that I usually look. So how do I look at this thing? I have a trading AI here that usually helps me out. So if you want to get access to this, and I can tell you this thing is actually very, very profitable. You can see like right now, as you're speaking, we have some news that are actually out. You can see how the markets are just moving crazily. And take a look at this signal that it has been giving out. It has been giving out this signal number one. It has already been able to hit take profit one. Here's the take profit one and take profit two. It has been able to give also another signal on AUD card during news. It has been able to hit take profit one, take profit two. It has been able to give another signal on Euro USD. This is during news. It has been able to hit take profit one, take profit two. So this is a very, very reliable tool that I usually use to analyze the marketplace. And when you can join into the live session, we are really able to go with you live, and we're really able to look at these entries, and I'll show you the entry confirmations that I usually look at. So today's trade was GBP NZD during London session. So this was the big, big, big trade. Okay, so we saw that price was here on this zone, and I'll just be able to remove the drawings just to show you exactly what I really looked at. Okay, so this was our selling point. Okay, we were able to catch this whole move here. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we were able to see a channel that was forming. And for us to be able to confirm that a channel is a real channel, we want it to have at least two entries. Okay, it has been touched at minimum of two times. All right, so this one was able to qualify, and then we are able to also take a look at a channel also from below. So you can be able to draw this one, that channel, can be able to draw it that way. Okay, so we were looking at price. If price reacts from this zone, we can be able to have a push up to this zone. Okay, and one thing we actually learned today is don't try and force this channel. You want to take where on the left, where we have it being tapped twice, just draw it, and if price breaks it, just wait for price to continue dropping. If price does not break it, just wait for price to reverse. Okay, so here what we looked at is we went to the 5 minutes time frame, and on the 5 minutes time frame I was able to actually note something. Okay, I was able to see that price has actually tapped on this zone one, twice, and thrice, and then what happened is when price came here, it did not respect that zone again. Okay, on this zone, price did not respect it. So we saw price coming here and breaking this zone. And after price broke this zone, I actually knew that this was a very good selling opportunity. So the next thing I was looking for is getting into the 1 minute time frame. I've already identified that in the 5 minutes time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame now, what I was just looking for is my entry confirmations. What I was just looking for on the 1 minute time frame is my entry confirmations. Very, very easy. I was looking for, and this is what we look for. I was looking for, this was the break. After the break, I was looking for my retest, a retest of my EMA, which you can see my EMA is actually here. So, and a retest of my 618 level, which is the Fibonacci retracement, 618, 50% retracement, 618 level. Okay, so this was the entry that we were looking at, which was a very, 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 very perfect entry. Our stop loss was supposed to be, if you're entering here, Our stop loss was supposed to be just above this high, which will be around 20 pips, 10 pips. This one was good. Our stop loss was actually here. And you can be able to see this was a very good trade. It really gave us a straight 1:4 without even thinking twice. Got up to our zone here and we were able to exit. So that was the first trade that we were looking at during London session. And then the second trade that we were looking at during New York session was CHF JPY. Okay, so CHF JPY really had also a good entry. And CHF JPY, what you're really looking for is, and all these trades, guys, by the way, we usually get these entries confirmations here. If we take a look at the monitor in this section, if we take a look at the monitor, what happens on the monitor is it actually loads. Okay, the monitor actually loads. After loading, it usually shares with us like the trading signals. It shares with us the trading opportunities. So after sharing with us trading opportunities, that is where we usually now come here to look for entry confirmations. So for example, you can be able to see on CHF JPY. So on CHF JPY, you can be able to clearly see. Let me just remove this, or let me just even remove all the drawings. Okay, on CHF JPY, this is what you're able to see clearly on the 5 minutes time frame. You're able to see that uh, this zone, this was a very strong zone. Okay, and this being a strong zone, you can see it has been able to be tapped here. It has been able to be tapped here again. It has been able to be tapped here again. So we were at least waiting for price to react from this zone, but immediately price did not react from that zone. I already knew that we were actually looking to go in for a sell. So if we were looking to go in for a sell, what exactly were we looking at? What exactly were we looking at? First of all, we were looking for the 5 minutes time frame. At least we want the 5 minutes time frame EMA to be crossed below, where you can be able to see the 5 minutes time frame EMA was actually crossed below here. And then after that is going to the 1 minute time frame. And then after you go to the 1 minute time frame, want to see after it has been crossed below, want to take a look at a pullback. Okay. And this is now the pullback that we were looking after it was broken from below. You can be able to see this was the break. So we are looking at this particular pullback here that is coming to retest the EMA, the 1 minute EMA. You can be able to see here is the 88% retracement zone that is in confluence with our EMA. Okay, and that is exactly what we are looking. So the entry was here, looking for a short. Okay, if you're looking for a short, a 10 pip stop loss for this one will work so well, just above that, which is okay. So you can be able to see this was able to give us a 1:, take a look at the whole, take a look at this drop. Okay, this was able to give us, let's go to the higher time frame to just be able to see it clearly. You can be able to see that drop. Okay, that drop up to here. Those were like 100 and something pips. So with 100 and something pips, this was like a 1:10. Okay, a 1:10. So those are the main trades that we are looking today. If you want to get into our live trading session, all you just need to do is just take out on my WhatsApp group. If you are on my private WhatsApp group, what you just need to do is take a look at the pinned. Take a look at the pinned message above here. Just be able to show you. Take a look at the pinned message above here. If you take a look at the pinned message above here, this one, you'll be able to see this particular link. Okay, after you'll be able to see this particular link, what you'll be able to do is you'll just be able to come fill in your email address here, fill in your email address, and then click yes, join now. You'll be able to get a 1 week free trial of our AI, whereby you can really be able to use it After you fill in your email address, you fill in your details. What will happen is you'll be able to be directed to a page like this. Okay, so you'll be able to get into the VIP is only $15 a month. $15 a month, you'll be able to be getting such trades. So all you need to do is just subscribe, and then you'll be able to get a link that will be helping you join our VIP live sessions. After you join our VIP live sessions, you'll be able to get access to this AI for 1 week, 1 week for free. Okay, I think that's a very, very, very good offer. So if you're not also in my WhatsApp group and you're seeing this video, just take on the channel on the comments below on this video, you'll be able to see a link that will be able to redirect you to all these pages. So see you on the next video as I share an update on the next trades that we'll be taking tomorrow. So just make sure you're in that live call so that you can be able to take those trades with you. See you on the other side. Have a good time. Always remember to hit that subscription button below and drop in a comment what you think about these trades. And let me see how you are thinking about these particular trades that you're taking. Have a good time.